Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you run a high-speed CNC shop, especially for phone parts and electronics, you know FANUC Robodrill machines are absolutely workhorses. But there is a problem. They are extremely picky and sensitive to unstable factory power. I'm from Kingbao. Today I'm sharing a real factory case where a client almost ran the whole production line of 12 FANUC machines because of crazy power drops, and I'll show you how we fix it with a zero maintenance solution. Let me show you what happened. This client runs 12 FANUC drill type machines working non-stop every day. But whenever neighborly factories turn on their bigger equipment, the grid power went completely unstable. The voltage dropped all the way to 310 volts and spiked up to 448 volts constantly. When 12 high-speed spindles starts speeding up and blinking at the same time, this unstable power creates huge problems. Because of the massive voltage, spindle speed keep jumping and down. The threatened tapping becoming inaccurate. The FANUC system kept popping up errors and shutting down the machines. Their defect rate hit 8%. That meant 8 out of 100 parts were scrambled. The factory was losing serious money every single day. That's when they contact Kingbao for high-speed FANUC machine clutters. Ordinary stabilizers simple don't work, so we upgrade the factory with our flagship KPR series countless induction stabilizer. This is why it completely changes the production. First, it has no moving parts and no carbon brushes. It's fully countless, zero wear and tear, zero dust trouble, and zero maintenance. Perfect for 24 hours continuous production. Second, it's super fast. It catches and cracks voltage fluctuation in less than 30 milliseconds, faster than a human blink. Third, no matter how well the grid power is, it locks the output voltage steady at 380 volts with only plus minus 1% fluctuation. Most importantly, it never interferes with the FANUC digital control signals. So what was the final result? The terrible 8% defect rate dropped down to below 0.5%. Random machine shutdowns are completely gone. They also save 60% of their annual maintenance costs because they no longer need to replace damaged circuit boards and electrical parts by bad power. Now all 12 FANUC machines run smoothly and stably day and night. If your CNC machines often show random error codes or your finished parts have unstable accuracy, don't wait until your machine boards burn out. Leave a comment below or contact us through our official website www.kingbaopower.com. We can provide you a stable power solution to protect your entire CNC line. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more real factory power solution cases. See you in the next video. Bye bye.